Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We've been decoding REM Losing My Religion. Set enough, changed to set it up twice. And we've already done the decode. We've already found the University of North Dakota as a potential quantum network user. We've already connected the University of North Dakota to REM Losing My Religion through our gematria calculator. And we've connected REM Losing My Religion and the University of North Dakota to the other 13 effects that we've decoded and found potential quantum network users in so far. And now we're on to simple binary code, which we've got to run through the stock market, genetics, and medical categories. And now we're on the chemical category. And I'm not going to go through the extraction process again, but well, we used this simple chart, A0, B1, C0, D1, all the way to Z, and we converted ADN, OG, HTTP, ADN, OG, HTTP to 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. And now, since this repeats, once we hit this overlap here, we can start to come back. And once we hit it coming back, we're done, unless we were rearranging these, which we're not at this time. So start with 0110. That ends up being permagnate hazard summary right here at nj.gov. This chemical is on the special health hazard substance list, I assume, training concerning chemical hazards and controls. So you've also got a few other things here. You got 0110 chemical BN unit crest. I don't know how important that is. You also have 0110 25 lb case, pound case, American Chemical. It's a hot melt adhesive. So you got general chemistry from the University of Pittsburgh. That means they could hit anything at the University of Pittsburgh, I think, with the quantum computer at that point. You got chemical measuring cylinders. There's your 0110 and 0110s and all this. There's your 0110 for permagnate hazard summary, substance number. So using the engineering literature, this is chemical engineering, and there's your 0110. So you got a few things going on there. But if you move on from that, you have 0111, and that ends up being chemical structure of SLC-0111. Chemical structure of SLC-0111. And you also have butanol, ICSC 0111. You've got SLC, that's SLC 0111 again. How about ammonium persulfate, hazardous substance fact sheet? There's 0111 right there. So you got a few things with this. Carbonic anhydrous inhibitors, targeting metabolism, SLC 0111. So there's SLC 0111 again. And that was I guess that was the first thing we got. You also have Chem 0111, General Chemistry 2, westfieldma.edu, so there's another university or college they can hit. But if you move on from that, you have 1101, and that ends up being Chem 1101, Chemical Principles for Laboratory. Chemical Principles Laboratory, excuse me, at the University of Incarnate World. Never heard of that before. But then they could hit anything at this university. And there was more, I'm pretty sure. Select Chemical, LLC, Delis Libs. Not even going to try to pronounce that, but there's yours 1101 here. GS 1101 right here. CAL 1101 Chemical Synthesis. And there's your University of Incarnate World again. There it is again. Chemical Safety Documents and Guidelines. Energy.gov. Hazardous Management for Highly Hazardous Chemicals. And there's your number, 1101. So you got a few things going on here, but we're going to move on. And that gets you through going forwards. And now we're coming back. And coming back 1111 ends up being 1111 Chemical Science Foundations. Right here. govst.edu. All right. Beyond that, you got chemical resistance of Belzona, which is chemical. I swore I saw that here. Outstanding corrosion resistance, excellent chemical resistance against a wide range of chemicals. So Belzona, it's a super metal composite, yeah. Chemical abundances of 1111 FGK stars from HARPS, HARPS. There's your 1111. There it is again. You got Belzona, super metal, 1111. You got chemistry, umsl.edu. There's your 1111. So they could hit anything at that university. You got acetyldigitoxin. And if you can hear that, my cat's rampaging on a box. But CAS number 1111-39-3, Cayman Chemical. So, got a few things going on there. There's the super metal again. And if we move on from that, we have 1110, which ends up being succinic acid. CID 1110 on PubChem there. You also have Chemistry 1110, Department of Chemistry at the University of Memphis. So there's another university they could hit. I'm looking for my number at this OSHA occupational thing, and I don't see it. So we're going to move on. I don't see it here. Chemical structure of molecule resolved by atomic science mag. Well, here's 1110, so we're going to atomic what number? Atomic force microscopy. So you got that. 1110 chemical selective chemical modification on ethylenamine. You also have chemistry 1110, University of Auburn, or Auburn University. Uh, Roadhouse HO1110, chemical tank car. So they could hit anything at this Auburn University, by the way, I think. And but we're going to move on from that, and it's 1001 ends up being UN.NA or dash NA or slash NA 1101 chemical data sheet from Cameo Chemicals. So that's right here, 1001. Chem 1001, Cornell.edu, chemical concepts. So they could hit that university. There it is again. National Chemical Laboratories, 1001-29. Acid Eater, Acid Neutralizer, Chemical Hazmat, 1001-004. So you got a few things here. Chemical Pump Assembly. Here's ORY-1001. That's from Cayman Chemicals. Medicinal Chemistry. So, yeah, there you go. Medicinal chemistry, right? So you got a few things there, but if you move on from that, you have 011. And the most interesting thing to me was this Array 11 chemical immune reactivity screen. This is the first test to measure the actual immune response to chemicals. Array 11 measures an expanded range of environmental chemical toxins. And I don't think I really need to go much farther into that, guys. Chemical immune reactivity screen. Actual immune response to chemicals. So I wonder why they'd want to be calculating that. And also, I noticed over here, you also have the 11th Chemical Company. And that's the U.S. Army. So, current ops. So, that's U.S. Army. United States Army. Where does it? Yeah, it's up here. Unit, currentops.com, unit U.S. Army. So it's right here, 11th Chemical Company. And that gets you through going forwards and backwards in simple binary code in chemicals. So we'll hit laboratories next, then research groups, then artificial intelligence and technology, and then random hits, and then we'll be done with REM Losing My Religion. We will get to the other to the new categories. I'm not sure if that'll happen with the South America 1,500-mile move that we'll have to finish, or if that'll happen in the next thing we decode. But we have 3 new categories to try and see what's there and what isn't there is all we're doing. We got robotics, machines, I believe was the other one that Steve suggested. And the one that keeps coming up over and over is the military. So we're going to try those 3 categories coming right up. So that's going to do it for this. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.